na material. Ganda yung sinuot ni G.
Mga nag-ano sila guys, nag-city mall sila, kami nasa SM. Okay, pre. Wait.
Yo, what's up guys?
What's up, what's
We're here
up?
at Uniqlo.
So,
Ano sasabihin mo?
nakakita namin yung mga kaklase namin sa City Mall.
CC Mall.
Kaya dito kami nagpunta.
Mag-name drop ka ba?
Ayoko, wag tayo mag-name drop. Uy, pwede ko bilhin to sa Christmas. Ito, ganda siya. I probably buy this when it's time for Christmas.
Uy, diba?
May kasama kami ha.
Post natin yan. Gadit ka kay Samu.
Trinoma daw sila. Pag tinotoo namin yung Trinoma eh.
Nagkakayo.
Uy, tingin tayo. Gusto mo makita yung pants. I want to see where the pants at. Ayun. Bro, pwede sa akin to, bro.
Ako lang nga mag-video sa'yo.
Vlog.
For shopping
Hi,
for
guys.
some
Wait lang.
clothes.
Hi guys, welcome to vlog. So let's go. Nandito kami sa SM.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, dude? We're at Uniqlo right now.
We're at Uniqlo right now. I don't know what we're doing here, but we're not shopping. Ano lang, window shopping.
Window shopping, yeah.
Ayun, nag-window shopping siya para sa underwear.
We're just gonna eat here, but
We're gonna eat after this. And then,
probably play some games or watch some cinema. Maybe.
we, meron ba kayo energy para mag-cinema?
Yeah, of course.
Pag magsi-cinema tayo, gamitin natin yung
Ano, for me, mas malaki pa din sa ano.
SM Baliwas.
Nerd. Exactly yung nag-ano.
North EDSA.
Sa ako na Uniqlo. Yeah.
Like double line.
I don't know what I'm gonna buy when it's time.
Fit checkers.
I'll
We just came home from work. We just got out from work.
Just got.
Hirap ng 9 to 5. Ay, 9 to 8 pala. Tama ba? 9 to 8 yan. 9 to 8. Peace for all. Okay, we're gonna go out of Uniqlo and we're gonna find a restaurant to eat from, you know. I'll see you guys later. We're gonna update you. We're now going to the cinemas to check what movies they're showing.
Yeah.
She says she's hungry, you know. Gutom na daw si Bea, guys.
Yeah. I'm also hungry, dude.
Saan ba tayo kakain?
I don't know.
Parang hindi naman okay. Toy Story 5.
Toy Story.
Toy Story
It's
5. Tanong mo nga kung magkano student discount. If meron, if may student
We don't
discount.
have any.
Okay, we're at the movie. Ooh. We're here at the movies.
I think 330. For the
Student discount?
quality.
You're looking at the prices. I don't actually know what we're doing with this video, but I think I'm gonna edit this. Hindi, may ano yan, depende sa, ayun no, depende sa cinema. I think we might go for the Toy Story one. Not sure. Then there's also Supergirl. Now at Miniso, I don't know what we're gonna do here, but Robin's looking at some perfumes.
Ganda yung bote niya.
Yung bote lang, mabango ba?
Bango naman. I mean, smell.
Okay naman. May may tubig na nilagyan ng pabango. Gets mo ba? Parang na-dilute na.
Med. Uy, Singer Garden.
Colorig. Ba? Okay lang. Uy, si Bren. Dito ka pala, Bren.
Hazel.
Ayun, no? Yung markers. Ooh. This is cool, guys. If you're also a Potterhead, I think you will like what Miniso has. They have some good selections here.
Dude. Ang sarap.
Hindi ko gusto? Masyadong matamis.
Asan si Bay?
Okay. Ang lamig dito kasi may fan. And then they're looking at perfumes. Mabango ba, pre? Mabango ba, pre? Pre, kakaridin ko talaga to. Tutuloy ko tong vlog na to, i-edit ko to.
Yeah, dito.
Okay, they have some good selections here.
Mabango.
Para kanino?
Ito, ano siya? Parang ano siya, tapang. Matapang siya. No?
Oh, may tatay.
Tatay.
May tatay.
Ito, ang laki na niya. Ano? Solid siya po. Black oak.
Ay, maganda to. Maganda to.
I-spray mo nga.
Amoy kanal.
Pwede na, pero
Amoy kanal.
mas okay siya air freshener na aircon. Hindi siya pang ano tao.
Ito, para mabango.
Pwede.
Tatingin, ay paamoy. Parang, no.
Ay, maganda yung sa baba, yung sa perfume dessert.
Ay wala ka, tama yun eh. Parang,
Amoy no?
yung ikaw gagawa,
Amoy mo.
Perfume dessert?
hindi ko gusto. Masyadong
Yung perfume dessert.
Ito mabango, tol. Amoy officer. I'll rehab officer.
Pwede na. I'm actually wearing, pen shop right now. Ano yan? Something unraveled ba yun? Oo, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Medyo last namin kasi kakagaling lang namin from work. And payday namin
Ito,
ngayon kaya kami
pambabae.
gumagala.
Dito, bet.
Ang babae, no?
Okay lang. Medyo versatile siya. Versatile?
Versatile. Gamit na gamit ko yun.
Pwede na. Mabango
Pwede
siya.
na.
Pwede for both.
Ayun na, para tayo, ano tayo ngayon?
Pwede for both girls and boys. Ang laki naman ng bottle mo.
Ano siya?
Tingin,
marami
tingin.
siyang malaki.
Dito.
Amoy Christmas 2024. Hindi ko alam kung mag-guess yung sinasabi ko. Pero...
Hindi na. Ano yung gano'n? Papami.
Ang gara
Amoy
lang
ano
ng
siya?
music taste
Pabango ni
niya.
Jeremy.
Hindi ko pa naamoy si Jerry.
Pabango ni Jeremy.
Kung Jeremy, kung nanonood ka, check mo nga kung yun yung pabango mo.
It's,
Saan?
I don't know, life is for,
Basta yan. Yung nakikita mo yan. Yeah.
And Wendy's.
Currently finding
Ano?
or looking at restaurant where we're gonna eat.
Minsan ay gusto na nararamdaman ko yung ano ko.
Siyan na.
San Wilson na to.
Rules are legit. Nag-breakfast na ba kayo?
Macho.
Nag-breakfast na ba kayo? Wendy's.
Babalik na ako dyan para sa matcha.
That's it.
May train sa likod.
Asan? Ay! Baliw
Baka
dyan. Dito
masagasaan tayo
tayo
dyan.
Baliw. Baliw guys. Ayun na may train.
Yung iba mamatay.
Ayun, mahirap pagka may bata. Nakita ng ganyan.
Gusto nyo maglakad? Baliw. Ah!
Opo.
May Zumba guys oh. Ayaw nyo mag-coco?
Ano tayo din?
Zumba dito. Zumba.
Founder's
Founder's
Donut.
Donuts.
Combo cookies. Franks. Frankies.
Grabe no, nagbibisitan.
Decide on what restaurant we're gonna eat at by letting one random person
Go.
choose.
Show mo lang. Go.
Chowking.
Bigla, tatlo.
Wendy's.
Chowking
Tsaka
Wendy's.
Bonchon.
And nasa option ko din chow.
Oh, dati dalawa yung Chowking. Ikaw?
Ano ba meron dito? Pepper lunch, potato,
Potato.
manam.
Manam. Saan yung manam?
Sa baba.
Manam.
Manam, potato, tapos...
Magkano dun?
Hindi ko din alam. Pero mura lang din dun. Promise, wala siyang mahal. Potato, manam, tapos pepper lunch.
Eh, pwede na yan. Ako naman.
Ano yung mga choices? Ano mga choices?
Wendy's. Pepper Lunch. Bonchon. Chowking.
Ay, ate.
Yun lang mamaya, wait lang.
Then, Boricu.
Bordejo. Okay.
Ano?
Ah,
Ito, ito.
ano natin, i-narrow down natin to 3 lang na final. Para madali lang.
Adi, dalawa na yung pumili ng choking. Adi, isa na yun.
Okay.
Surprises kasi tayo na ano dyan.
Oo.
Sige, pwede ako sa
Ano, kahit, porket kahit
Wendy's.
kakasweldo lang natin, hindi tayo wawaldas ng todo. Ganun talaga. Adulting na tayo, men. Wendy's. Okay, we'll be right back. We're gonna update you if we've decided on one thing.
na lang.
We're letting Bea choose now.
Yeah.
She's talking to the security guard to pick a number.
Kakakaya ata.
Yeah, I think medyo nahiya lang kami pero
Pero nahiya ka ba?
bahala na. Ano
Two.
Ano
So,
yun? Ano
bonchon.
number 2? Bonchon. So we're gonna eat a
Pinakamalapit.
bonchon, guys.
Para naman sarap kain natin.
Okay. Okay, we just finished ano yun? Okay, we just finished
Nung
eating.
nagano,
I ordered from Chowking and they ordered from
hindi ko klase ko doon.
Wendy's. Wendy's
Ano
now.
lang. Ba't lang na, pwede pala yun. Ganun.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Pinapansin kaya tayo. Tapos na namin kumain, guys. I ordered from Chowking, they ordered from Wendy's because I thought it was expensive as here. So I ordered mine from Chowking. Yeah. Donuts.
We're about to leave just now.
Wait, wala pa tayong intro, guys. Yo, what's up? We forgot to do an intro, so ngayon na kami mag-i-intro.
Welcome to
Editor,
my guys.
please put this in the beginning of the video. Yeah. We just finished eating, and now we're walking somewhere.
Best friend mo?
I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's too loud in here, so I think you won't even hear me. But if you can, then you can. Maglalaro daw siya, men. Maglalaro daw siya, men.
Ano kaya?
Mag-blow machine.
Ano, eto? Natry ko to. Wait lang. Ano to eh? Para akong bata.
Dapat
Sige, kunin mo.
Pwede na. Ba't yung mas malapit, men?
Tayo pa tayo.
Di ba pwedeng ano?
Hindi bulok.
Kaya mo yan, men.
Ayaw. Ayaw kunin. Ano tayo? Laki. Saan?
We've been trying to get something from the claw machine, but that's just hard, and I think it's rigged. You know what I mean?
Ano mamaya?
Documentary, men.
Relax. Ito ba yun? Last one. Ayaw nga. Wala, nahihulog ko.
Wala, oh. Tayo mo tulak. Pero yung focus mo yan. Mag-hint ka na isa. Go.
Ano yung hulog ko dyan?
Ay, wala na ba?
May piso ka dyan.
Wala ka ng token?
Kumuha ka naman yung hulog ko. Ayun na, nandito kami sa
Where we?
Toy Kingdom.
We're at Toy Kingdom, guys.
Ano kaya to?
Magkano yan? Huh?
199.
199. It's not about the weight, bro. It's about what's inside. This is the land of your people. This is not the land. This is Glendale.
This is the land of your people.
This is not the land. This is Glendale.
Paw Patrol, guys. Paw Patrol. So, everything I forgot my book. Look at that. I want that one, bro.
Pangit ang sulat.
Lagay natin, pre. Lagay natin.
Siyempre, ang ganda ng motivation. Ito gusto ko bilhin. Ito.
Magkano ba isa?
50. Dalawa lang. Sumigaw ng dana kapag... Ano to? Bababa?
Ay, Justin Bieber.
May OCD pre.
OCD.
Oh, parang ano siya.
Buying dog food.
I heart matcha because I'm performative, like, you know. And even a gangster like me needs a forehead kit sometimes. And Terrence bought this cigarette after what?
He actually bought me that as a gift, so
Yeah.
yeah, thanks, friend.
Oh, Bea bought something.
Si Bea Boris. Ay, may ganito pa pala.
Wait lang, baka burn out the boy. Probably get.
Ay, nako. Tignan mo na, Bea.
Dito lang.
Isang
Kaya
patch
libre
ba?
po. Libre po.
Come on, take down. Take down. Come on.
Okay na kanyan. Tapos na kami kumain. Kanina pa kami gumagala.
Kanina pa tayo tapos kumain.
Ngayon, magmimilk tea kami. Tapos,
Yeah, we're gonna go to Coco. We're gonna go to Coco.
I don't fucking know. I just want to see a fight. Who the fuck is Coco? What the fuck? I didn't even know there was a Coco at our school.
What she look like?
we're going off. We're going home after this. I don't know.
Oo, uwi namin, men. Bye, guys.
Kasi kanina pa kami nabudol.
Okay, we're on the second floor and we're gonna go to Coco.
We're in the newly renovated SM.
MOA.
Si Bea, sobrang daming ginastos ngayon.
Ano si Bea Boris? Si Bea Boris yan eh. Si Bea Boris yan eh. Good kasama ako mo, men.
Bro, tanong mo.
Saan tayo, men? Ayan. Bebang. Ang funny ng meme na, Bebang.
Uy, yun ang tawag sa akin. Huwag niyo akong tatawanin
Bebang?
Bebang. Oo.
Uy, si Bebang.
Bakit Bebang?
Bea Boris.
Bea.
Bea
Oh,
Boris.
okay. Eya tawag ko sa'yo, Eya.
Wala na makapal na mukha ko. Wala na akong point kung i-judge niya ako. Guys, vlog, ano na to? Career ko na to, men.
I'm gonna give her a nickname today. I'm still thinking
Bebang.
about it.
Bebang pre.
Ayoko tumambay sa
Walang manonood nito. Ang apaka-ano natin, ang unfunny natin. Walang manonood nito. Okay, we're here at Coco. But parang ang daming tao, man.
Ang daming tao.
Ang daming tao. Look at that. Ang daming tao, man.
How about this?
Line starts here. Gala na lang kayo habang umiinom. Di ako mag
Ang professional.
Di ba? Ako mukhang ewan. Ba't di itong pansin yung sinod?
Depends ako.
Feed check, guys.
Tapos ay,
Defense.
Para akong ano, lalaban.
Na-reject na ano.
na-reject. Na-reject.
Para akong lalaban lang na. No, pagkain na.
Wait, they're gonna order now because I want no chicken. This lactose intolerant and I feel my tummy starting to rumble right now. You know? Kaya hindi ko na kaya mag-milk tea. Baka lang may ano sasabihin sa'yo? Baka lang. You know what nabibili niya. In this fantasy CR. And now here in Fully Booked. Neil Gay. Ouch.
Ay, ko.
Ito yung ano, same author na...
Ay, sorry.
Ay, sorry. Same author ng Coraline. Coraline.
Yan.
I need to take a shit.
Informative, guys.